In Python, the format function lets you format strings a certain way based on how you use the function. This is not to be confused with a string format function, which is outclassed by fstrings. Format with just a single argument is simple. Say you pass in the number 12 to format, that will be equivalent to calling the string constructor function stir on the 12. I've done an entire video where I cover what the different format specifiers are and how they work. I'll link that in the description. The explanation comes at around the 10-minute mark. From now, I'll go over a few examples that aren't covered by simply using other functions. If you pass in a number and specify a comma as the format specifier, this will return a number string where every third digit is separated by a comma. If you pass in a number and the percent sign is the format number, you get the number back as a percentage string. You'll agree with me. This output it gives you is exceedingly annoying when you only really need 50.0%, so I would recommend always going with the following code. rstrip gets rid of the percentage sign and all the trailing zeros, and then you concatenate back on the 0% at the end of the string. This gives you way less obnoxious output. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn code, hit that subscribe button, and if you're interested in Python's built-in methods, check out the playlist on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao.